Welcome to the Northwest Sisu YouTube channel. In this video I will show how to mount a GoPro camera on a model railroad train. With a camera mounted to the train, you can record a first-person view of the train traveling through the model landscape across bridges or through tunnels. You can also watch the video live on your smartphone, laptop and TV over a Wi-Fi connection. This GoPro Hero 4 camera is mounted on a camera car, which I designed and printed with my 3D printer. The camera is mounted vertically due to limited train track clearance. The video is therefore recorded sideways, but I correct the rotation in my video editing software. The camera can be positioned to record from different directions. It can be placed at the tail end pointing forward showing the train, or turn back, which is handy for recording a following train, or it can even be placed in the front of the train for a true first-person view. Just add your own couplers and tracks and a compatible camera, of course. The base of the camera cradle is thin and flexible, enabling the cradle to clamp the camera in place. Besides the camera car, there are also a couple containers for counterweights, which are needed when the camera is mounted off-center, and also a small screw cover to cover up screws for a neater appearance. You can find and download the 3D printer files on thingiverse.com under my Northwest Sisu username NWSISU. If you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.